1/100th of an inch is not going to make a significant difference. So this measurement here, whether you can read it or not, is 13.55. Okay, that's the total rise. All right, that's the total rise. Now we want to take this same measurement, the run, and multiply times the hypotenuse, and that's going to give us the length of the rafter. 13. Oh wait. And the way that you don't have to keep putting this in the computer, in your calculator, you can store it. I'm going to clear out the memory. Let's see what number is in the memory. Okay. Recall 1. Okay. We're going to just store 0. Okay, that's clearing out the memory. You clear out the memory by pressing store. You get a 0 on the screen, and then you press store 1, and it has 3 places where you can store. M1, M2, and M3 are 3 storage points. So whenever you want to store something in M1, you press store 1. You want to store it in the next compartment is store 2. And the next place, storage room, is store 3. And it'll store up to 3 memories, just store to 3 measurements. So what we're going to do is 1.937. Although I don't think I'm going to need this measurement again. And we're going to store it in 1. So you just press store 1. Okay. And you multiply that measurement, 1.937 feet times 1389 times 13.89 equals. Okay. That comes out to 26.90. Okay, 4. Okay, that's in inches. Okay, you could change this measurement into inches, into feet, which is really easy. You just divide that number in your calculator. I hope you can see it, by 12, and that gives you the feet, the same measurement but in feet. 2.242. All right, and that's feet. I like to go 3 decimal points. Okay. So now I know that when I order my lumber for these rafters here, I need to have rafters that are at least 4 feet long. Okay. For the body of the rafter. We still haven't figured out the tail. We'll figure out all that later on. Okay. So we're going to need, I would make these rafters here because we're going to have a 16-inch overhang here on the house. So I would make these like 8 feet, and you can always use those scraps when blocking or whatever. So now we figured out the common rafter for the 712 side. Now you got another side over here. You got another side over here, which is, I'm going to write this down low, which is your 12 side.